Is it important to you to eat healthy food?
Yes, it's very important for me to eat healthy food because it keeps my body fit and allows me to carry out my daily activities more efficiently. I try to eat plenty of fresh fruits, vegetables, protein, and low-fat foods. I believe that eating healthily reduces the risk of illnesses and improves mental well-being.
If you catch a cold, what do you do to make yourself feel better?
If I catch a cold, I usually get plenty of rest, drink warm water, and eat foods rich in vitamin C. Sometimes I also drink hot tea and have light soup, which helps strengthen my immune system and speeds up recovery. I also consult a doctor if the condition becomes too serious.
Do you pay attention to public information about health?
Yes, I usually pay attention to public information about health because information shared through government campaigns, social media posts, or news helps in maintaining health and preventing diseases. For example, guidelines on sanitation, hand washing, or using masks are very important for public safety.
What could you do to have a healthier lifestyle?
To maintain a healthier lifestyle, I try to exercise regularly, like walking, doing yoga, or light gym workouts. In addition, getting enough sleep, drinking plenty of water, reducing processed foods are very essential. For mental health, practicing meditation or engaging in hobbies is also very important.